Greetings everyone, my name is Justin Gallar. I'm a self-taught American drummer here in Tampa, Florida. Altogether, I've been drumming for about 6 years. The size sticks that I like to use are 7AR and 5AR, and currently I'm drumming with the band Stereograph until now. One of the many things that stand out to me about the Collision brand is their passion and commitment to the community, not only offering top quality products, but also top quality service to the musicians that they work with. What I like about their sticks is that they have a light, fluent feel while also remaining durable and sturdy for those heavy, aggressive playing styles. Plus, they offer sticks with extended reach to make sure that all styles of playing can be catered to. Now stick around and catch my band Stereograph playing Rage Against the Machine's Bulls on Parade. Come